intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Alright, so this is going to be another Fashion Nova haul. It's going to be quick, but I did get a lot of really cute stuff. They were having a huge sale, so most of these items were on sale, but they are very fall appropriate as well. So, I did get one accessory, so let me show that to you first. Nope, that's not it. It's the Young and Heartless earrings in silver, and they were $223 with my code. There we go. So here they are. I mean, can you really beat that for like $250? Seriously. Alright, so next is a graphic tee of one of my like childhood idols, and it is the Left Eye Tunic top. I got this in a size large, and with my promo code it was $824. I love Left Eye. She was my favorite. So here is what it looks like. It's pretty baggy. I did get a large. I should have probably gotten a medium, but that's okay. I can always like maybe tie it in a knot or tuck it in. Okay. That's my girl. So I did get a couple of jean jackets because they were on sale, so I'm just going to throw those on over this real quick. The first one is the Razer denim jacket in light wash, and I got it in a size large, and with my discount code it was $8.99. What? I mean, a denim jacket for $9. Oh, and it's cropped too, yes. I do have one cropped jean jacket, but it's really baggy and it just doesn't look right. So here is what it looks like from the front. So I guess you can, it has 3/4 sleeves, or you can roll them up. Okay, I'm digging that. Let me see which side I like better. Oh yeah, I definitely think I like it better with it tied up. And then, ooh, can you button it afterwards? Oh, I think you can. Oh, yeah, let's see if I can do that. And this is the only time I wish I had a boyfriend. And when I need to zip something up in the back. So we got two, are they real pockets here? We got buttons in the front, it's cropped. We got our cool little sleeves. And yeah, I'm really liking this. For $9? Hell yeah. All right. So next is also a denim jacket. And this is the All That You Need denim jacket in a large white. It was $10.48. Girl. I don't think I've ever paid $9 or $10 for a jean jacket in my life. Oh yeah, I really like that. The white jacket that I have in my wardrobe right now, it's a little baggy and just not very flattering. So this does have some distressing here on the side. And let's see what else. More, we got pockets. Wait. Oh, they're fake pockets. am. I really like it though. I think it's very flattering, super fitted. Yeah. Let me see what it would look like without the graphic tee. Oh yeah, super cute. Are these pockets real? They are. Alright, next. I wasn't planning on trying on a swimsuit, but I had been eyeing this swimsuit for a while, and when I saw that it was on sale, I was like, I have to have that in my wardrobe for next summer. Alright, this is the Sparkle Waters Rhinestone Strappy swimsuit in a size large, and with, oh my gosh, with my promo code and the sale and everything, it was $12.74, and this is like a $70 or $80 bathing suit. Wow, this feels like, this material is so thick and nice. Oh my gosh, you guys, if this is not the most bougie bathing suit you have ever seen. Look at the, oh, and then it has like the openings on the side. Alright, I will try it on. Let me see if there's anything else I can try on real quick here. So, I got this for, I want to do a Halloween makeup tutorial of Harley Quinn, so I ordered this wig, but I opened it real quick, and I'm super confused. I've never seen a wig like this before, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So first I pulled this out. Okay. Alright. Then there's the pink and the blue. And they're clips. I'll be back. I'm gonna go put a wig cap on real quick. Okay, so I put the main piece on. Now that I look like a Twiggy or something. Let's see if it, I don't know. Let me see if I can clip this on somehow. I don't know what this band is for though. I mean, does it work? Kind of? I would need like a better mirror, but I'm just trying to see if it could work. Okay. I guess it could work. Let me see what it looks like in the back. Oh, I can't really see. Damn it. Okay. I just need to make my shirt. I got the decal ready. I just need to iron it on and then like dye the top part red. But okay. It actually looks pretty cute. I'll go try the bathing suit on, I guess. Alright. Okay, this bathing suit. Oh my god, first of all, I wish I don't know if they even had it in a size extra large. I think an extra large would have been a little bit better for me, just because it was a little difficult to get on and over, and then I don't like these strings like digging into me. I'd rather them be a little looser, but That being said, I still think it looks freaking dope as hell. This is probably the coolest, sexiest bathing suit I've ever owned. One thing I will mention though is I'm probably gonna have to wear like some double-sided tape, because this is actually, my other bathing suit was doing this too. Like whenever I would bend down, my boobs could potentially come out. So here, I just love this like rhinestone belt. Yeah, a larger size would have been better, but for $12, I'll take it. I just hope I don't gain any weight between now and next summer. All right, and my last item is a dress. It is, actually it's not my last, well, my last Fashion Nova item. Okay, and this is the Won't Love You Back faux leather mini dress. This is in size large, and with my promo code it was $11.24. This is a dress that I'd actually been eyeing for a while and it was on sale, so I figured it was the perfect time. So let me try it on. Okay, so here is the dress. It is really cute. It's a little tight. This is definitely an NS dress, a neat Spanx dress. But other than that, I really like it. It has like kind of a padded little bra cup in here, so you don't need to wear a bra. And the straps are adjustable, which is nice. Yeah, I really like it. And like this red blazer I got. That could work, actually. So I don't look like a complete prostitute. But yeah, I do like it. Did I tell you how much it was? Most of these were final sale because they were on like extra sale. Yeah, $11.24. Alright, and then I got something from Amazon that I wanted to show you guys. I got it for, I want to do some sort of Barbie makeup tutorial. I'm not sure what type of Barbie, but I was like, whatever type it is, I need a pink latex dress. I got this from Amazon, and this is an extra large, and I'll have everything linked below in the description, but let me try this on for you real quick. Okay, here it is. It's definitely a lot more comfortable than I was expecting like a PVC latex dress to be. I'm glad I got it in an extra large, and this is definitely a Barbie dress. Yes, I think this is perfect for any sort of Barbie costume, and I just grabbed this jacket to see if it would give it any extra Barbiness. Oh yeah, I think it does. Now I just need to find my Ken. But my edition of Barbie is single Barbie. Bad bitch Barbie. She doesn't need Ken. But yeah, I really like this dress. I like the color of the pink and the fit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this Fashion Nova and one product from Amazon haul. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you next time. Bye.